I own the rights to this music, I own the rights to this message. That's Senator Cardin. That's my movie producer, Rob Fix. He told us some props for the movie. Just like the movie The Jerk, I was making a movie just like The Jerk. That's Ryan Dorsey. That's Senator Ben Cardin. All right? That's 2023. Senator Ben Cardin's been knowing about this since 2006. I told him I was doing a documentary. He knew all about it. That's Stanley Hoyer. It's covered under the Constitution. All right? And this is the Supreme Court, 2007, Dwayne G. Davis. Under Article 3 of the Constitution, it's called a writ of certiorari. A writ of certiorari is a meritorious case. Under Article 3 of the Constitution, a writ of certiorari is a meritorious case. Hettleman, Kathy Slazik, the Maryland Black delegation, y'all been denying me access to the courts. All right? I am Dred Scott. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? You stand for Israel, but you won't say nothing about me. I'm an American. I'm a legal American. At the conclusion of a trial, the defendant is supposed to be compensated freely, duly, and expense and the convenience of the government. You took my truck, you took my computer, and you took my property. You took my property. Under the Constitution, I got a freedom of speech. The First Amendment is my right to property. You feel me? This is my lawyer, John Bailey, and y'all participated in fraud. You kidnapped me from my home and you destroyed evidence. And that evidence was about Senator Cardin and the Maryland delegation. That evidence was right here, 1402 Lochner. That's my lawyer, Mr. Bailey. I'll blow on the whistle to defend me with the due diligence of the law. Open to the public. You feel me? Dred Scott, 1857. Civil rights, NAACP, FBI, Mr. Snowden, Civil Rights Director, Maryland. You feel me? I got all this. Federal grand jury hearing. I was kidnapped. That's a federal offense. I was kidnapped in Maryland, and you let Scott Shellenberger kidnap me. Hettleman ain't opened up her mouth, but you want to talk about CASA. That's President Barack Obama, Lisa Madigan, Patrick Fitzgerald, Director of the FBI. All right, you got all that? And that's certified. That makes it legal in any state in this country. That's the Constitution. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Because our white leadership is denying us. I'm not a Palestinian. I'm an American. That's Senator Cardin. See that? That's a whistleblower's application. See the date? See who got it? Judge Badar and Chief Justice Roberts. You using your office to block me access to the courts. You using your office to block me access to let the world see what being black in America is. Like I said, that's the Supreme Court of the United States in 2007. That's my store on Falls Road. You've been my representative since then. You've been avoiding this. You don't deserve to serve. You stand for Israel, but what about me? Being black in America, 2023.